First we had the Atlantic puffin. Look at that. Look at all the little birdies up there. All different breeds of the bird family. Look at that. These guys really fish the lakes. They can go up to 25 feet below the water surface. Can you imagine that? Wow. Oh, hello. There you go. Look how beautiful this is. Oh. What a scenery. Look at that. This is beautiful. Okay, this is all at the Maine State Museum. So if you're in Maine, come and visit. It's a beautiful, beautiful place to visit. It's got everything. It would amaze the children to see it, and they get to read everything and learn a lot of history about some of these animals. This is beautiful.